Hi, in this lesson we're going to work on solving systems by elimination. In this particular example, we have two equations, and when we look at what we're going to eliminate, we can't eliminate the x's because they're not opposites when we combine those together, and we can't eliminate the y's either. So what we need to do is set up some equivalent equations. So what I see here is that this 3x is half of the 6x. So we can multiply this 3x equation times 2, and then it'd be able to be eliminated with the other equation. So let's do that. We have that would give us 6x minus 6y equals 18. We won't have to make any changes to the top equation. Negative 6x plus 4y equals 0. From here, we'd be able to eliminate the x's by adding both equations together. So let's do that. Negative 6 plus 6 cancels out, leaving us with negative 2y equals 18. If that's true, then we can divide by negative 2, and y would equal negative 9. Then from here, we can take our y value of negative 9 and plug it into one of the original equations. And really, it wouldn't make any difference which equation we chose. So let's choose the first equation. Negative 6x plus 4y equals 0. And so when we plug in negative 9, that gives us negative 6x minus 36 equals 0. We're going to add 36 to both sides. We get negative 6x equals 36, which means that x is going to be equal to negative 6. So that's our ordered pair. Negative 6 for the x and negative 9 for the y. Don't forget to check your work when you're doing these on your own. Let's take a look at one more example. In this example, we have 8x plus 6y equals negative 22, and 6x minus 10y equals negative 2. If we look at both our x's and our y's, nothing is set up to directly cancel. So what we're going to have to do is multiply one or both of the equations so that one of the variables will cancel. I'm going to take a look at the y's. Here we have positive 6y and negative 10y. They already have opposite signs, so what we need to do is multiply them by something so that they will become the same number. What number could we make the y's? I'm thinking we should make them 30. So let's multiply the top equation by 5 because 5 times 6 is 30. And we're going to multiply the lower equation by 3. This gives us 40x plus 30y equals negative 110. For our second equation, we have 18x minus 30y equals negative 6. So now when we combine these two equations together, we see that our y's cancel out, negative 30y and positive 30y, giving us 58x equals negative 116. Divide by 58, and x equals negative 2. Now we just have to finish this off by plugging in the negative 2 for x into one of the equations. I'm going to choose the smaller equation this time. 6x minus 10y equals -2. And so when I plug -2 in for x, I get -12 minus 10y equals -2. Got isolate that y. Now we have -10y equals 10. So y has to be equal to -1. And there's our solution. -2, -1. Thank you.